Hello, my dear friends. My name is Harold, and welcome to the Sanctum. Now, I'm going to teach you a very powerful exercise, a yoga or a meditation, a practice that you can do that will supercharge your aura. It will expand your aura and increase the amount of energy that there is imbued into it. So, prana, chi, ki, whatever you want to call it, this particular practice will bring energy and charge your aura, making it magnetic, thereby increasing your confidence, increasing your charisma, and increasing how magnetic you are, thereby drawing people, opportunities, positive situations, and the things that you desire to you. So it's turning you into a magnet. So there's an entire system of practices like this that focuses on the internal cultivation of magnetism, and this is called personal magnetism. I offer a course, a 6-week course on this. You can find out more about it in the description box below or on the screen in front of you. And this is a practice that you can do at home to increase your magnetism and the size of your aura. So this is how it is done. Okay, and I want you to know this is a very deep subject and there's a lot more. I also offer an audio course on this, which you can find in the description box below or on the screen in front of you. So this is how the practice is done. You can do this while you're standing or while you're seated down. If you do this outdoors, it is more powerful, although you can do it indoors as well. Now you can do this seated down on a chair, or you can do this while standing with your feet shoulder width apart. And how this is done, you see, if you're seated down, you start with your hands simply facing down. Make sure your spine is upright, and if you're standing, you want to make sure that once again you're standing straight and your hands are simply by your sides. Then you start by taking your tongue and curling it so it's just gently touching the roof of your mouth, and this connects an internal energetic circuit that's there, that starts at the tip of your tongue, that goes all the way down your spine, traveling all the way up the back of your spine, going all the way to the top of your head, and the other point is at the top of your palate in your mouth. And when you curl your tongue on the roof of the mouth, this connects that circuit within you. So you sit in this manner, and you first start by taking a few deep breaths in and out to relax. And now what you're going to do is you're going to start by breathing in, and as you do so, you're going to lift your arms up, and as you lift your arms up, you imagine that you're pulling in the energy from around you, from your environment, the prana, the chi, the vital energy that's there in your environment. You're going to be pulling it in, and it's going to enter from all sides of you like this, and it's going to go clockwise around you, around your entire body like this, and then enter through the top of your head, out of your feet, and fill your aura from the bottom upwards. Okay, so let me see if I'm explaining this correctly. Let me repeat that again. So when you breathe in, you're going to lift your arms up, and as you lift your arms up, it's almost like you're drawing energy from your entire environment, and it's going to come in, curl around your body clockwise. So if you are like a clock, behind you is 12, in front of you is 6, and it's going to move like this clockwise around you, going all the way to the top and entering through the top of your head. There's a little hole in the top of your head here. You can't feel it because there's skin, but it's called the Brahma aperture, and it's there, right there in the top of your head. If you feel it, you might find it. You don't have to be specific. The energy knows where to go. And then you breathe. When you breathe in, you're breathing it around you like this, and then you breathe out, and then you breathe in, bringing the energy in through your body, going all the way down your feet, and you're bringing your attention down to follow this energy through your body down your feet, and you imagine 2 holes at the bottom of your feet, right? Just 2 holes at the center of near the balls of your feet, and you imagine that the air, as you breathe out now, is leaving those holes and beginning to fill your aura all around you. almost in the shape of an egg, from the bottom upwards with each breath. And you'll notice immediately as you do this, you can do this with me now. You're going to breathe in, bringing your hands upwards, drawing the energy. Energy is curling around you, going all the way to the top. Hold, breathe out. And now when you breathe in, draw your hands down. Imagine the energy entering down your body, going all the way down to your feet. And when it reaches your feet, breathe out. Imagine the energy is leaving through the holes in your feet and filling your entire aura. And now keep doing this. Breathe in. And like this, keep repeating. Takes a bit of practice. And every single time that you do this, this is one cycle. When you breathe it into the top and then all the way down out into your aura, that's one cycle. And you'll notice each time you do this, you may feel your aura is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger, becoming more and more charged. You'll feel it a lot more. And you'll notice your awareness goes outside of the body. And that's important because you'll start to feel the aura. And the more you do this, so that was one breath or one cycle when you breathe in like this and breathe out, and then breathe in like this and breathe out. That's one cycle. You want to, if you do this, imagine, already I can feel the aura is about 3 meters. Whereas if I keep doing this, with each breath, it's just going to keep expanding. And if you do this 108 times a day, you will create an immensely magnetic aura. A very, very powerful, charismatic aura. And if you don't want to do it 108 times a day, you can do it 7 times. You can do it 16 times. You can do it 21 times. Or you can do it 64 times. It doesn't matter. Do it as much as you can. I know it's only of those of you who really want to develop this that will actually practice. Even after practicing this once, if you go outside, if you've done it 108 times, you'll notice automatically people will start looking at you, will maybe even drawn to you, maybe even start speaking to you in that way. So this is for somebody who wants to develop a magnetic aura and become more charismatic and attractive energetically. And if you want to find out more about this sort of stuff, I have an entire course on it, 6-week course. It's one-on-one, which you can find more about on my website. There is a link in the description box below. I also have an audio course, which is more of an introduction, which is also there in the description box. And I also guide you step by step in developing other aspects of magnetism, especially to do with like the magnetic gaze and aspects like that on my Patreon channel. So you can check that out too. I hope all this makes sense. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, take care, and I shall see you very soon. Peace.